In this section, we'll have a look at equipment which are placed at top of the pipe rack. If you see, most of the time, some equipments like air fin fan coolers, heat exchangers, and other vessels also placed at pipe rack. If you see, this is a air cooler at top of the pipe rack. Okay, these are basic things which are generally available in all the projects. Then steam drum on pipe rack. We are having one steam drum on pipe rack. Then silencer type of things are also there at platform, top platform. If you see in air cooler, which is biggest equipment available at top, we need to have this kind of arrangement. Header box platform will be there. Okay, there will be one platform. If you see, the header box is this side. So to operate all the spectacle blind, brake flanges or vent drain, we always have one platform throughout the length of the air cooler. Okay, this will be used for maintenance. And of course, at bottom of the air cooler also there will be a platform to operate all the motors and fan. Okay, so this is a general thing which we are having at top of the platform. Okay, this is the front view where we can see the section below air coolers. So this kind of equipment are always available at top of the pipe rack. So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.